My name is Dr. James Carter, and with over 25 years of medical experience, I know one thing: your health is your most valuable asset. This channel is where I share the lessons from decades of treating patients how to eat right, move better, think sharper, and avoid the hidden mistakes that speed up aging. Subscribe now, and let's take this journey together because it's never too late to take control of your health. As a doctor, I've spent decades watching how small daily choices shape the way we age. Many of my patients over 60 believe they're eating well and staying healthy, but then I notice something: what they drink is silently undoing all their efforts. After 60, your body becomes more sensitive to sugar, sodium, and chemicals in beverages. Some drinks that seem harmless can actually accelerate aging, damage your organs, and reduce your quality of life. Today, I am going to share with you the 3 drinks seniors should avoid at all costs, and lines give you healthier alternatives that support your heart, brain, and bones. Let's start with the most obvious villain: soda. Soda may feel refreshing, but inside your body, it acts like a slow poison. 1 can of soda often contains 35 to 40 grams of sugar. That's nearly 10 teaspoons. For someone over 60, this level of sugar is toxic. Here's why: blood sugar spikes. As you age, your body loses insulin sensitivity. Every time you drink soda, your blood sugar skyrockets, forcing your pancreas to work harder. Over time, this leads to diabetes and chronic inflammation. Bone health: the phosphoric acid in soda leaches calcium from your bones. Seniors who drink soda regularly are at much higher risk for osteoporosis and fractures. Brain decline: studies show sugary drinks are linked to memory problems and a higher risk of Alzheimer's disease. I've seen patients who cut out soda completely. They report more energy, clearer thinking, and even improvements in blood pressure. Healthy swap: sparkling water with lemon, unsweetened iced tea, or herbal teas. These hydrate without the sugar damage. The second drink surprises many people: fruit juice. You might think orange juice or apple juice is healthy. It comes from fruit, right? But here's the problem: juice removes the fiber and leaves behind concentrated sugar. 1 glass of orange juice can have as much sugar as a soda. Why is this dangerous after 60? Liver stress: that concentrated sugar, fructose, goes straight to your liver, leading to fatty liver disease, a growing problem in seniors. Inflammation: juice spikes blood sugar and insulin just like soda, fueling inflammation that accelerates aging. Dental health: seniors already face gum and tooth problems. Juice erodes enamel and increases decay risk. I had a patient who drank 2 glasses of juice daily, believing it was good for her heart. After we removed it from her diet, her triglycerides dropped by 40 points in just 3 months. Healthy swap: whole fruit. An apple or an orange gives you fiber, vitamins, and slower sugar absorption, fuel for your body without the crash. And the third drink is alcohol, especially beer and sweet cocktails. Now, moderate alcohol has been debated for years, but after 60, the risks often outweigh the benefits. Here's what happens: liver function: as we age, our liver processes alcohol more slowly, meaning the same drink has a stronger effect. Medication interactions: many seniors take daily medications, blood pressure pills, diabetes meds, blood thinners. Alcohol can dangerously interact with these. Sleep and brain health: even 1 glass of alcohol disrupts deep sleep cycles, which are critical for memory and brain repair. Seniors who drink daily often experience brain fog and higher dementia risk. Falls and balance: alcohol weakens coordination, and after 60, falls are a serious danger. 1 hip fracture can change a life forever. If you choose to drink, limit it strictly. But from a doctor's perspective, your body is always healthier without alcohol. Healthy swap: non-alcoholic alternatives like sparkling water with berries, herbal mocktails, or even kombucha in moderation. So let's recap: soda spikes blood sugar, weakens bones, damages the brain. Fruit juice looks healthy, but it's just sugar water without fiber. Alcohol slows the liver, interacts with meds, and harms sleep and balance. After 60, every drink you choose can either push you toward health or toward disease. Cut out these 3 aging accelerators, and you'll give your body the best chance to stay strong, sharp, and full of energy. Remember, aging is natural, but how you age is in your hands. Choose wisely, and your future self will thank you.